Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the alternator on the Mini Cooper 2009 S or base model without removing the entire front end. I'm going to go through the steps real quick. So it's very simple. You take these out, take the hood latches out, take the beam support out, take the headlight out, 4 bolts, take the dipstick bolt right here out, and take this bracket for the O2 sensor cover out right here. There's 1 bolt down here, and then once you have all that out, you gotta remove the charge pipe, which is gonna have a spork right there in that piece, and the 7mm down there, and take it out from here. Once you have all those out, pull the charge pipe out, then loosen the tensioner with a specialty tool. I have it right here, or you can use a adjustable wrench or whatever that size is. Once you get the tension off, there's 2 bolts you're removing from here. They're E10, I believe. Then you'd have 1 more at the bottom of the alternator right here. These are the 2 at the top. This is the one at the bottom. The alternator will be like this. These are 2 at the top. That's the one at the bottom. You take that one out, then alternator is out. Make sure you transfer the dowels on this thing. Okay, it's a quick summary. I'm gonna get to it. Okay, so far got that beam out. Like I said, 2 here, 2 here. Now I have to remove the charge pipe, which is I have a clamp, 7mm clamp, which is the stock one, and there's a bolt that's supposed to be in this hole right here, but I don't have it. And remove this, and then the dipstick, which is 10mm. There's the charge pipe. It's connected from the bottom. There it is, out. Also, like I said, the dipstick is out right here. These are the bolts that I'm referring to for the tensioner. Mm-hmm. 10mm. O2 sensor socket bracket out. Now get the E10. I don't know if you can see it. Actually, we don't need the E10 right now. We need the tensioner tool right here. You can see the scratches on the frame from not having the right tool, so I got the right tool. Goes on just like that. It's hard when I'm holding the camera. Okay, like that. Press it down, push the pin. Now the tensioner is locked. This is the pin I'm referring to, by the way. Get the E10. Make sure it's in there, otherwise you're going to strip those bolts. There's one, second one. There's 2 of them, tension out. Okay, now there's a bottom one right here. Make sure you disconnect the battery while you're doing all this, just to be safe, because you're gonna arc on this shield. Okay, get in that last bolt after I use this tool right here. It'd be nice if you have a little short extension so you're not hitting the charge pipe. At the same time, be careful not to drop anything inside that pipe because it's so small. If you drop a nut or something, it's gonna go inside your engine, so be very careful. Account for all your hardware. you go. Last bolt out. Battery's disconnected as well. Put it on the side. Make sure the battery's disconnected. Move the belt. There we go. Alternator should be free. Oh, I can't do this with the camera. Okay. 1 second. I will go around it a little bit. Should pop out soon. It's just a little bit hot. There it is, going out. Here it is, guys. Alternator. Okay. If you don't have a new dowel, well, thick mine came out in the engine. That's gonna be a problem. Make sure you get the dowel out. It's supposed to be on that side. The second back hole. It's right here. Make sure you get that out, or transfer, or leave it in there. Make sure it's in there, otherwise you're gonna have your belt coming off. This is what I'm referring to, by the way. Alright, new alternator's in. It's lined up on the dowel. The belt is on. It's not lined up on this piece yet. Line it up. Then put the tensioner. Okay. You can put in all the bolts, but don't tighten them up yet. Alright, got it all in. Plug the alternator positives and the battery ignition light, whatever that is. Also loosen the tension on this, so all you gotta do is just flick it once and this pops out, puts tension. Make sure all the grooves are on there. Word of advice, the belt will not go on if there isn't a lot of resistance. You know it's not on right, or it's not on track on the other pulley, so make sure you get that. That's it. Just gotta close it up and fire it up. And if you have Bimmer code, or Bimmer link, I think Bimmer link, you can put the alternator amperage draw gauge on there, and you can see how much is drawing and all that to know if it's working or not. Also check for codes if the alternator is not working.